These bounce text presets will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use these presets. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Now click on Add. Select the Presets folder. I have already installed it. Here presets have been installed. Place any preset on the timeline. Add your text here. Here you can change text font. Change text color from here. If you want to use dual color, then go to Effects panel and search for Ramp Effect. Apply Ramp Effect. Now change its start and end of ramp like that. Change start and end color. Here you can adjust text preset position and scale. These presets have in and out both animation. You can also adjust its duration. Just trim or expand template to make its duration shorter or longer. That's it. Thanks for watching.